What are your rights if you have been defamed on the internet? For starters, we should talk about what it really means to be defamed. Defamation in the law refers to when someone says something about you that is not true, that harms your reputation, and that causes you damage as a result. On the internet, defamation happens a lot, and more often than not, people get very upset about what's published about them online. So if you're in that situation, this video is for you. Defamation does require a showing that what someone said is untrue. This means it can't just be a matter of opinion. If someone says about you that they don't like the way you smell, for example, that's actually not defamation. It's just a statement of fact. That person doesn't like something about you. They're allowed to say that. It also can't be that they say, my friend Bobby is the worst golfer I've ever seen. That may be untrue, but it's a matter of opinion. It's not something that a court is generally going to find them liable for. Obviously, in most cases, if you're watching this, if you're looking for information, it's something much worse. It's something about your character, something that accuses you of having committed a crime you didn't commit, something about you that's unsavory or insulting. In that case, you can pursue a legal action under Pennsylvania law to recover damages from the person who said that. In extreme cases, a court might even enter an injunction stopping them from saying those sorts of things in the future, although that's a very difficult thing to accomplish. The hardest part of defamation is usually showing that there were damages. Just because somebody said something bad about you doesn't mean that you financially suffered as a result. If we can show that your reputation was harmed, that you've lost business, that you lost a job, that you had to move out of your neighborhood because all of your neighbors believed the defamation, those are the sorts of damages that courts are often looking for. If you've heard somebody say something bad about you online and others have heard it and you believe it's damaged you, call us at Cornerstone Law Firm so we can talk to you about your options.